Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove Jeep Wrangler doors. First, gather your tools, including a T50 Torx bit and a ratchet. Park your Jeep on a level surface and engage the parking brake for safety. Next, disconnect the wiring harness and door strap from each door. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe removal process. We'll cover each step in detail, making it easy for you to enjoy open-air driving. Now, let's detach those doors. Using your T50 Torx bit, carefully loosen and remove the hinge bolts from both the upper and lower hinges. Once the bolts are out, gently lift each door straight up and off the hinge pins. It's important to lift evenly to avoid scratching your Jeep. Remember to store your doors in a safe, padded area to protect them from any damage.
Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that subscribe button and give us a like. Quick recommendation: after a long day of off-roading, sometimes you just want to relax. The new Kindle Paperwhite lets you read anywhere, even by the campfire. It's waterproof and has amazing battery life. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video.
Safety is key when handling your Jeep doors. Always enlist a helper when lifting and moving the heavy doors to prevent injury or damage. For long-term storage, consider investing in door storage carts or wall mounts. They keep your doors secure and organized. Don't forget to protect your exposed hinge pins and wiring with caps or covers to prevent corrosion and dirt buildup. When you're ready to put your doors back on, the process is essentially the reverse. Carefully align the door hinge pins with the body hinges. Slowly lower the door onto the pins, making sure it seats properly. Before tightening any bolts, reconnect the wiring harness and door strap. This ensures all electrical components and safety features are functional before you hit the road again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.